Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana, and today I am going to show you a unique St. Patrick's Day wreath. Okay, yes, indeed, we are working with some different colors. Peonies, we got these colors going on. We also got some greeneries, a greenery. We also got another little assortment of some greeneries with some little beads. And we got some of these little glittery shamrocks. We also are working with an 88-inch checkered ribbon. We are also working with some wire, floral wire, and your wire cutters. Well, okay, with that said, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. I am so happy to be here. Let's get this started. Okay, I got these cute little hats, which I purchased at the $1.25 store. I wired them together there. I already wired them right here, and I am going to show you guys how I wired them together with our floral wire. We are just going to get this right here, and we're going to attach that in there and get it like that. Then we are just going to get this guy, and we are going to put it through and twist it. Twist it. I can twist it. There. Twist it. Tight on there. And there we go. Look at that. We got it. Ba-bam. It's cute. Look. This little hat. Okay. Now that's inserted. We're going to get on with our loops again. We are working with our loops. A little 6-inch tail. Little 6-inch tail. Excuse me. Florals. And two 12-inch loops. The 12-inch loop going on. One. Got one going on. Yeah, we got another one going on. See the same side? There it is. Okay, we are going to pin this guy up right here where I put the... I think I'm moving right here. Yeah, it's good. Right here, look at this. Pin it in there and voila. Look at that. Wow. Okay, then we're going to go down and we are going to make one 12-inch loop. Okay, one 12-inch loop. There we go. Look at that. Gonna get this one going right here. Bam. Stick that guy back in there. Then we're gonna go down and we are going to make one more 12-inch loop. And we got the loops going. Yes, indeed. I always say it's so easy to work with this wreath because there's so many wires. You can just attach things just so easily. Okay, we got our beautiful ribbons on. Adjust them a little. Then we are going to get down with the greenery. Let's get down with this greenery. Okay. We got these guys. So we're just going to put out here on the sides and just fasten them in. Yes, indeed. Let's get them all around in here. Just get some greenery on this. So we'll cover up the parts, you know, the reef. Get some more up here. Right here. There we go. Oh, look at that. Where did I get these ones that I forgot? Okay, then we're going to get some more. Ooh, going around. Put this little bit right here. Yeah, they came in a bunch, but you could just cut them up. Put them on your wreath. And we're going to get some more right here. And then remember now, because we got our other white little bubblies, flower ones. It's what do you call those? Berries, yeah, bubblies. I call berries bubblies. Remember on Christmas, we got to work with the bubblies. We just have fun and step back and visualize so you know what you're working with. Okay, got that. Let's get this. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more some of this there. I think I should mix some of this. What do you call it? Those shamrocks I got the other day. The next one, there, I got it right here. Okay, now let's put some of this in here. Balance them out. So put it right here. Then just get your little wire and attach. See? Ooh, look at that. Just like that. Wow. Okay. Now we are going to work with our beautiful, excuse me, florals. We got some of these. I thought looks so unique. I mean, different. I see these. I purchased these at Joann's. They had the, oh, they were on President's Day sale. they had some specials going on there, and I thought, these just caught my eye. I thought, you know, I'm gonna put a different kind of color to mix into the wreath for St. Patrick's Day. You know, put a little color in. You know, and I think this came out pretty good. How does everybody think about these colors? If you like, if you leave a comment, and if you enjoy these different colors for St. Patrick's Day. There we go. Ay, look at that, my buddy. Okay, I got another tan one, so what's that said? I am just going to put this right like that, right there. Okay. Now, let's get this other one. Right here. Let's see, let's put this guy right here. Remember, balance out your items and step back and visualize. Yeah, look at it. We're going to get one more right in here. I think we're done for these. Wow, look at that. Okay, wow. Now let's just get these. This is just going to make what a difference. Watch, look. Just one of these. Look at the difference it puts in your wreath. It's just a couple of different items in it. Just brings your wreath out, you know? Look. Wow. Get some up here. Mix them in here. Look at how beautiful, huh? Just be creative and go all out on different colors. Try to get your stuff balanced out and just be creative. Just have fun, you know. Enjoy this time being here with you guys, you know. It's just, I really do. Takes me away. Okay. Now, let's get one here. Ooh, look at this. It's coming out so good, look. See how different is. Let me see what's up here. What we got going up here? Bam. Let me see. Is there any room for this guy? Maybe I'll put you right here. Yeah. Put it on the. Okay, where else can we get one, everybody? Bam, bam, right here. Oh my, we got one more, and I think this lucky guy is gonna go right in there. How's that? Woo! Okay, let's get all these out of the way right now. My floral wires and okay, we're gonna get down with these little. I just put you know, you can get a lot of other things like this and just get a caboodle stick. You know, get that caboodle stick and just stick it in the styrofoam. You know, make your own unique little things. You know. Wow, look at this. I think I'll put this guy back up here. Woo! There it is, everybody. Hey, how's it look? How'd it came out, everybody? Thumbs up, or you guys leave a comment. I really do enjoy you guys' comments. I'm like, wow. From so-and-so or from way over there. It's so unique, so neat. Look at that, everybody. Okay, let me turn this around for more fun, and we will show you what we got done today. Let's put this on this thing. Ooh, look at that, everybody. Different colors, and I hope I gave you guys some inspiration or ideas, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Okay, wow, look at it, buddy. Look how that came out. Just different, you know. I think my next video is I'm going to be working on some, Easter. We got Easter videos coming up next. With that said, thanks for coming to my channel. I appreciate it, and I appreciate the viewers and the subscribers. Once again, everybody have a wonderful day. Like, share, and see you later. Thank you. Get that smile on now.